This morning, I want to talk to you guys about something that we are offering from the month of August through October of 2022. Coaching classes for how to make loafers shoes.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Victor Onyebado. I am the owner of the brand Omo Bespoke. You probably know us from our YouTube page, Omo Bespoke, or our Facebook page, Shoemaking by Omo Bespoke. During the course of the 2 years that I have dedicated myself to putting out shoemaking tutorials, I've had opportunity to observe a few things about how people consume online tutorials, how we can make the most of the online tutorials that we are putting out. People need to be dedicated to learning the things that are already out there in order for them to be successful. So they need to do certain procedures, practice them, submit them, and have them evaluated. Those things are the key indicators for success if you are going to make anything out of any online course that you participate in. And I'm really passionate about online education because that is essentially the way I myself learned how to make shoes. And I also learned several other things online. So I want to help as many people as I can also achieve some level of proficiency with shoemaking. So from the month of August to the month of October, 2 months, we will be dedicating one session of about 15 minutes each every week to coaching sessions. And I'm looking for 10 people who will be in that class. I already have 2 people, so 8 more people are needed. It will also, of course, cost you the cost of your own data. It will cost you the cost of your own materials that you will require to do the assignments that are going to be set. And then it will cost you your time. Quite, you would have to dedicate some substantial amount of your own time to improving on your craft. So for a 2-month period, we'll be learning how to make loafers shoes, basically Belgian loafers and penny loafers. So if that's something that you're interested in,
They know they drink palm wine on top palm tree like this guy. Stick around to the end of this video and find out how you can register.
like I said, 10 slots, 2 already taken. We need 8 more slots. I'm looking to see that we use this, and by the end of October, everyone who was in that class would have become very proficient at making loafers shoes, and then we can say that that was a success, and then we can extrapolate the key takeaways that we got from that class and apply it to other classes. So we can apply it to boots classes, we can apply it to Oxfords, derbies, and all other aspects of shoe making that we are hoping to cover. So August to October, but you need to sign up now. And you also need to tell me why you should be considered for these classes, right? Usually when we host courses, we have as much as 50, 100 people sign up, but this time we want to be able to dedicate time and effort to a very limited number of people. So shoot me an email, send me a DM, let me know why you think you should be considered for the class, and hopefully by the end of June or before the middle of July, we should have selected all of our 10 participants and then sent them all the terms and conditions that are required. So we start out in towards the end of July and run it to October. So if you or someone you know will be interested and fully dedicated to this, send us an email. Like I said, until I see you guys next time, peace. God bless you.